Hello viewers, welcome to VrushuRaj classes YouTube channel. Results of class 12 are declared. Congratulations to all the students, those who have cleared all their subjects in the first attempt, and special congratulations to the students, those who have passed class 12 with fantastic marks. But this video is not for such students. This video is especially for the students, those who were not able to clear all their subject in the first attempt. Yes. This is especially for those students, those who did not clear all their subject in first attempt. In this video, I am going to tell you some surprising and shocking reason why the students fail in class 12. And apart from this, I will also tell you few useful tips which will help you to build your bright future. So as I said, first of all, find out the reason. Why did you fail in this class 12? Why you are not able to clear all your subject? So in most of the cases, the reason is the student, they don't study seriously. They're not serious at all in their studies. What they think that 15 days or 1 month or the last moment studies are sufficient to clear their subject. And this is the biggest mistake what they do. And because of this, they're not able to clear their subject. The second thing, sometimes the students, they face some unavoidable problems. They may face some health issue or their family face some problem. And because of that, the students, they're not able to concentrate on their studies and they're not able to study properly. And because of this, they're not able to clear their subject. And as I said, the surprising and shocking reason is the selection of wrong stream. Many times we find that even the students scoring 35%, 45% are compelled to go for the science stream. Why? Because still there is a misunderstanding among the parents. Yes, I say it as a misunderstanding. It's a misunderstanding among the parents that only the selection of science stream is going to help the bright future of their child. I don't say what you think is wrong. I don't say because what you think for your child, yes, it's absolutely correct. But this is actually the misunderstanding, and the reason for this is lack of sufficient and correct knowledge. Yes, because of lack of sufficient and correct knowledge, the parents, they think that only science stream is going to make the best future of their child. Students scoring 40% are not able to grasp the science subject. They find it very difficult and this leads such result. They are not able to clear their subject in first attempt. Instead of sacrificing the entire life, instead of failing again and again in the stream which you don't like, it's better you sacrifice this 2 years and in future you go for the stream or you go for the field which you like. And parents, please do cooperate, please do help your children in this regard. And the next reason, as I said, the students, they don't study or some other problems. For such students, you have to clear this subject in the coming exam. So for this, what you have to do, just check out the dates. Just check out the dates of the upcoming exam. Just find out whether the time is sufficient for you to complete your studies. If you feel, no, I cannot complete my studies in this time, don't go for that attempt. Just check for the next attempt and go for that. Clear your subject and continue your studies. In this regard, you can take the help of your friends. You can take notes from them. You can take help of your teachers. You can take help of private tutors, tuition, and you can also take the help of such platform, that is YouTube platform. Many useful and nice videos are available in each and every subject on YouTube nowadays. So you can also take the help of YouTube videos. See, failing is not a big mistake. Okay, failing is not any big thing that you have done anything wrong in life. No. But if you repeat the same thing again and again, if you repeat the things which you have brought you to this destination, then yes, then it's going to be a mistake. So avoid the mistakes which you have already done. Work seriously on your subject and clear the subject in the next attempt. Here, I would like to request parents once again that please think what exactly is correct for your child. But don't think what you wish your child to do. Children are born not to complete the incomplete dreams of parents. Children are born with their own wishes, with their own dreams. Be their guide, be their strong support. Don't be the script writer or director of their life. Yes, please think over this seriously. It's my suggestion to the parents that be their strong support And in this, if you have any confusion, you can take the help of the counselor. There are many such guidance platforms available today. You can take help of such platforms and select the correct career option for your child. So my dear students, hope this video is helpful to you. Apart from this, if you have any query, if you face any problem in your studies, please drop your query in the comment box. I will definitely try my best to answer your query. And please do share this video among maximum students. And to get updates of such helpful and useful and important videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel, that is VrushuRaj Classes. So my dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.